I'm currently looking for a way to um, have or to search for the best um, haircut because I have a really long hair. It's been months since I've cut my hair. I think it would be 3 to 4 months, and I was looking at the best way or best haircut for curly hair because my um, curve outward, not inward, so that's not really um, common, especially for curly hairs. And I do have a semi curly, not really fully curled hair. And aside from that, I do want to clean the side and the back part of my head because I do get sweaty, especially when I'm working out. So that's why I um, have headbands or head cloth that I use, and I only have one right now because I lost the other one, and I'm trying to order from Shopee, our online platform for shopping online, and apparently I cannot order anything for, via cash on delivery. I need to use a card or a wallet, digital wallet, to pay for that or to pay for the product first before it arrive here. And at first I don't mind it, but I do not really trust the courier we have right now, especially this past few months, because the old courier, I don't see him anymore, and these new ones didn't really deliver. They just text you once and then submit it as failed because we don't have the lot or the house number so that they can go to my actual home place and then leave it there. No, we need to go through the entrance and then get it there. And if they didn't call us or leave us a message, they will flag that delivery as not available, which is apparently my fault because I didn't manage to get it. But there are moments that I need to actively request him because I do see on the app that he's on the delivery site, and then I said that I'm at home, and then that's the only moment that he would then deliver the product, which is a bummer.